Today we're installing a beautiful Serrata Davis Finney job here. Beautiful bike, Columbus SLX. It's been hanging on the. It's got see how it'll reflect it. It's very beautiful. It's been getting a bit of dust, which is deplorable. So we're going to finally build this up. I've got a SRAM red Etap crankset. We've got the Etap group set on there, and we're going to build this bad boy up once and for all. And so we've got a SRAM. This is my favourite bottom bracket. They're not cheap, but they're really just super smooth. I've got one of these in my bamboo black, which you can just see through the mess there. And I want to install this. So there's two sides. What tools you'll need is just a bit of grease. I use a biodegradable grease. This is a Shimano grease, and I can put it in here. Make sure there's no creaking and groaning. That BB looks ready for that workmanship. It's pretty cool. So Allen keys on each cranks, and we're just going to put this BB in. And we've got two different sides. You got non-drive side. So that's all you have to do. Make sure you put it in the right side. All right. This is the GXP, and we've got a GXP crank. Let's do it. So we put a bit of grease on each side of the threads, and I'm going to slip it in that BB. And this is the important part. Make sure you put it in dead straight, because you don't want to fuck up your axle, your threads. So we'll do it to about finger tight, and then this is where this tool comes into it. And this is a little washer that goes on the outside of it. So yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Sort of deep side in. So that's one side in. We'll wipe away the excess grease, and that's through the other side. And this little washer here is a non-drive side washer. It's got three little marks on it. That goes inside the crank. So outside is clean, inside has those 3 marks, and it just sort of sits in like that. You can tell that's the way, because the other way it just sort of doesn't sit, it just falls out. So interesting design. Boom, like that. And the crank's just straight in there. Should be. I think there's a wave washer that goes in there. I'll just double confirm with my SRAM dealer, and I'll ride down the shop and then ask them. But there we go. That's pretty straightforward. We'll slip these cranks in. Beautiful little setup. I put just a little fraction of grease just on that axle there, just that bearing contact point, and we'll just slip him in through like that. And there we go. And then we have our red Crankset bottom bracket. Spins nice and smooth. Just these ceramic bottom brackets do feel good. If you got any questions or comments down below, leave them down, a bit of feedback. I'll go to the shop as well to confirm if I need that wave washer, and I'll leave it in the description down below what the deal is. It varies from bike to bike, so if you're in doubt, contact your local SRAM dealer for the final word. Hey bro, oh, he's got my hand. He's got my hand.
That's cool. I was really having a little sniff in. Oh, kissy kissy. Uh-oh. Oh, not nice. Oh, the koala love. Oh, little kissy kissies. Alright, this is let me lay.
Oh, soft face. Oh.